All right, we are live. We're live. Good afternoon, everyone. Ontarian Hawkins here. I'm the passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well today. And I'm going to make sure that everything is working on my end. I want you guys to pay close attention to this video, very close attention. So bear with me just for a second here. All right, we're looking good. We're looking good. All right. All right, guys. So today I'm going to talk to you. Now, I'm probably just going to be doing a few videos on this. Probably this video and the follow-up video. You're going to get more information on how this works. As you guys know, back in August, between August and September of last year, I started to promote a Forex software by the name of AZHA 6.0 to be exact. And I used the bot for quite some time and made some passive income in the Forex trading market. All right. And over time, the bot, it didn't perform in the end like I wanted it to perform. All right. For myself and many of my customers, it didn't perform, didn't have the longevity that I was looking for. Case in point, the AZHA trader is no longer available to the public. And as you guys heard my video the other day, hopefully you did. If you haven't, go back and look at the previous video. You need a few different types of passive income streams. You need a diversified portfolio in the end, and you need a way to have a few different sources. You need automation. You need a way to leverage other experts via copying, pasting, maybe. You need a way to grow your money by buying and holding crypto, for example. So inside of my portfolio, I'm always changing things up. I'm always showing ways that people can take advantage of passive income. So when AZHA went away, okay, I knew that I had to find something for the people who want automation. And I tell you what you're about to hear and see came right on time. It is this particular software, and I'm not going to show it to you in this video. I'm just going to kind of give you the difference, the differences between AZHA and this one. But this particular one is something that, to be honest with you, I've been wanting to have in my portfolio for a long time. The gentleman behind this software, I kind of hit on it yesterday. He developed it. He's a master trader, and he's been very successful. He's made millions in Forex trading manually. So he designed this in a way to where the bot literally trades kind of like how he trades. It trades like a human being. It does things that a regular trader would do. And I'm going to show you just briefly here in a bit, what the difference is in the two. So let's go ahead and get down to it. Let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you guys the major differences. Okay, and you can make a decision after you watch this video, and then I'm going to post a follow-up video that's going to give you details of this. Okay, more details. So 1 second here. Share my screen. You guys should be able to see my screen. Let me make sure that I'm A-OK on YouTube. Bear with me just for a second. Okay. All right, guys. So let me just draw out to you the the differences that we have with the new EA. Okay, now I put a question mark here because you're going to know the name of the new software in the next video. All right, so let's draw out some components. Okay, AZHA 6. First of all, AZHA 6, what it does, it trades off of the 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to draw out the characteristics on this first, and then we're going to go over here. Trades off of the 4-hour time frame. It uses what's called a martingale strategy, and I'll share with you what that is in just a second. Martingale, hopefully I'm spelling this right. Okay. Uses a martingale strategy. Martingale strategy. Okay. 4-hour time frame only, and it only trades about, you know, when I came down to the wire, I was only using about 2 pairs max. Some people were using about 3 pairs, okay, to trade. Okay. So though that's pretty much the gist there. Here the kicker is the martingale. Okay. Now, one more component. Over time, I started to see some high drawdown. I'm just going to abbreviate. Some high drawdown. And when I say high drawdown, I'm talking 20. I've even seen as high as 40% or more over time. Okay, that's pretty high. Drawdown is basically, guys, when the trade goes against you and you're in the negative, you're in the red. So the drawdown got around 20-40%, a lot of cases higher than that, because of the martingale strategy. So let's go to the other side. Let's draw out the characteristics of the new one. And actually, it is better over not only the short term, but long term. I'll tell you this. The few folks that I have over here now from AZHA, they are ecstatic. They're like, where has this been all this time? Okay. And mind you, I kept this private for a reason. But I decided to say, okay, I can go ahead and talk about it because I want to help as many people as I can, especially those of you who are in AZHA. Okay. So with the new one, not only does it trade off the 4-hour, it trades off the daily time frame and the hour time frame. So it trades off of it. There's a versatility here. Okay, 4-hour, daily, and an hour. The biggest thing about this is this is a trend trading software. It trades with the trend. It trades with the trend. Okay. We have about 11 or so pairs, so it makes it very versatile. With the trading. Okay, so about 11 pairs, trades with the trend, 4-hour, daily, and hour. Drawdown percentage or drawdown period. From what I've seen, it rarely hits 10%. Okay, it rarely hits 10%, if it does at all. All right. So drawdown, we like to stay if it gets to the point where drawdown starts to go high, it really gets to or goes past 10%. which is very good. Okay, very good. We're keeping drawdown at a very minimum here. Okay. The other thing is, I forgot to put over here, AZHA, I think the last cost of AZHA was $2,000. Okay. Got good news for you. Over here, there is no fee to buy in to the software. No fee. No fee to buy in. I have a special deal going on with the guy that I'm working with this. So he said, hey, you know, your people, we're not going to charge them. Okay. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. Now, so now I'm going to leave this alone on the right side because the next video is going to go into how this works. I want to deal with martingale. Some of you guys don't know what it is, and I want to deal with martingale and the difference between this bot and the trend trading. So I'm going to cover why in the end trend trading is better than the martingale strategy. When you trade with the trend, you're actually trading like a real person. You're trading how you're supposed to trade. Okay, that's a big deal. So let's go to a chart. I have Euro USD up because I've been looking at this pair here. And let me get this out of the background here. All right, let's look at this. Let's show you what the difference is when it comes to martingale and trend trading. Okay, bear with me just for a second. Gotta make sure I'm good on all angles. All right, we're good. Okay, so basically what a martingale does, let's go to 4-hour time frame because that's what the that is what the AZHA trades off of. In the martingale, guys, what happens is this. If a market, you see how Euro USD just it bought up for quite some time and it's still trying to push up. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. You see how it's done this? So what martingale does, it feeds off of the reversals in the market. So if it's buying hard, it's going to be placing opposite trades or sales. Okay. If it's buying hard like this, it's going to be placing sales. Why? To catch the reversal when the market actually reverses. Thus, over time, if it continues up and up and up, right, it's going to throw your account into high drawdown. That means, you know, you would have to add some money or and vice versa. Oh, I forgot to show you one other component over here. The new trader, it actually compounds your account. It compounds. Can't even get that all in there. You know what I'm talking about. It compounds. Over here with the AZHA, there's no compounding, guys. No compounding. Okay. Want to throw that in there. All right. So again, if it's trending up hard, it's placing sales. If it's trending down hard, like you see this right here, it's placing buys to catch the reversal. Okay. That's what martingale is. Now, what's the difference between the AZHA and the martingale and what we have with the new trader? Simple. The software actually trades with the trend. You see the trend going up here? It'll look for opportunities to trade with the trend. So it'll place a buy trade right here to catch some pips up here to get you into profit. It'll place a sell trade up here somewhere to get you to catch some pips to take some profit in the direction that the trade is supposed to go. That's the difference. That's the huge difference in these two particular opportunities. Okay. Not only that, but the diversifying or the diversity of different pairs, the 11 pairs, gives you opportunity to get some nice gains. Very flexible. Okay. Like I say, the short amount of time that I've had a couple of customers over on this one, they are ecstatic at what they see. And one gentleman said, "This is exactly what I've been looking for." That's what he said. That's exactly what he said. He said, "This is exactly what I've been looking for." And I'm glad to help. I'm glad to help. Okay. So that is the I can't even talk right now. Preliminary video that I wanted to show you guys. After this week, guys, let me just give you a heads up. We have several. I mean, right now we have several people who've invested already, and we have a nice portfolio of when it comes to numbers. So we're limiting people to join this. We're not looking for thousands of people to join this. We can close the doors right now, but I was told by my partner, the guy that designed this, he said I can go ahead and post this video and the other video and get some people in. Now, as far as what you're going to need to start with this, you're going to need to watch the next video. I'm not going to talk about the numbers right now, but in order to start this, as far as not the fee to you're not going to pay for the bot, but you need to have a certain amount in your account to start trading with this. That's going to be shared in the next video. So there's no links. There's no, video presentation. Actually, there's a video presentation next, but there is nothing for you to buy, so to speak. Okay. Just want to get you guys, let you guys know that's what the deal is. Okay. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. Okay. Close out on this video. Hopefully you guys understood what I just explained to you, the differences and the benefits, the actual real benefits of this one, of which you will learn the name of it in the next video. Okay. When you have a software that can trade with the trend, ladies and gentlemen, you have something very special. And actually I've done some what's called mirror trading with this bot. I've done some mirror trading with this bot, with this software, guys, and tell you what, I've won quite a bit of trades just copying what this bot is doing, which is phenomenal. Okay, which is absolutely phenomenal. So that is my time. Again, there is no link to share. You're just gonna, for those of you who want to get after this week, there's going to be a waiting list. For those of you who want to get on the waiting list, you got to reach out to me on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins. Ontarian Hawkins is how you reach out to me on Facebook so that we can get you started or get you on the waiting list. But after this week, for those who want to get in, it's going to be shut down because we're not taking everybody. We're not taking everybody, guys, just to give you a heads up. Okay, this is not what this is about. This is more of a private type of deal to help a few of you out who want automation. Okay, so that's it. Let me stop sharing and get back to my. Here we go. All right, we're good. We're good. All right, so reach out to me again on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins. Michael Thompson, yes, there's no link, my friend. Reach out to me on Facebook. Send me a message. What else? I think that's it, guys. I think that's about it. So hopefully you're excited about what you just heard. I know that when I was approached by my guy, of which I've been knowing for over 4 years, by the way, this is not somebody I'm just meeting. I've been knowing this gentleman over 4 years. I've been knowing his abilities as a trader. I mean, I think I shared on the last video, but his best day trading manually on his own, because he's a master trader. His best day trading on his own was over $100,000, guys. $100,000 trading in one day. You don't think he knows what he's doing when it comes to designing a software that can trade? Absolutely. And I see it. Trust me now. I see it. Every time the bot places a trade, I was like, that makes sense. It makes a lot of sense why I placed that trade. Okay. So get with me, guys, ASAP. Let's get you on the waiting list. We're looking for some investors for sure who want to put a nice little chunk in, because in the end, you're going to be happy. And we got a goal for you. We have a goal for you to reach a certain amount of number in the next few months, 6 to 8 months, guys. It's going to blow your mind. We have which you'll see in the next video. We have commission structures to show you some Excel, some spreadsheets of what's possible. Okay, what's possible. Not giving you any guarantees, but what's possible. Okay, just keep that in mind. Again, just with anything else, when it comes to Forex trading, I give a disclaimer. You're making an investment when you decide to join, which is a risk. Okay, you have a risk to gain, you have a risk to lose. Okay, but our goal with this bot, we have ultimately did our best to minimize your losses, but to increase your gains, as you will see over time. All right. So that's my time. Reach out to me again. Today is Thursday. This week has gone by too fast. I'm going to also leave a way for you to book a time to speak with me as well under this video. So some of you are probably already friends with me on Facebook. Just reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. Okay. But what I want you to do first, don't hit me up now, because immediately when I get done with this video, I'm going to upload the next video that's going to explain exactly what this is and how it works. All right. So until then, be on the watch for the next video, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.